right, it says, while water skiing behind her father's boat, Cheryl is pulled at a constant speed, that's key, that's very key, with a force of 164 newtons by a rope that makes an angle of 15 degrees with the horizontal. If Cheryl has a mass of 60 kilograms, what is the coefficient of sliding friction between Cheryl and the water? Okay, so she's being pulled at 164 newtons at 15 degrees, correct? But what I need to know what this is here. I need to know what this is. We don't need this, okay? And we don't need that because it's not a ramp problem, okay? So this, I need to know that dotted black line because that's what's actually pulling her horizontally. Clear? Yes? So how do I get that? I get that by saying 164 newtons times cosine 15, right? That will equal, I need the horizontal force, right? You see that? I need the horizontal force. So, what is 164 cosine 15? This is 158.4 newtons. Is that right? Yes? Yes, okay. Now that's the constant, that's the force that I'm applying. Is Cheryl accelerating? Is she accelerating? Of course she's not. Read the problem, it's in. I gave it to you, it's right there, bro. Number 16. It says at a constant speed, right? So what's the friction? Look, if I push this cart, look, guys, you're not getting the concept. The concept here is actually very simple, right? If I push this cart at a constant speed, right, it's only enough to overcome the friction, correct? Isn't that correct? If I push this with a force, it will accelerate and it will slowly come to a stop, right? Yes? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this at a constant speed, correct? That constant speed is simply being, I'm applying a force that's simply enough to overcome the friction. So what's the friction? It's 158.4 newtons, right? So this is actually below the friction, right? And I know that mu equals F friction over F. What's Fn? Remember, if you're talking about a horizontal force, Fn and Fw are the same, right? Isn't it horizontal? Right? So if she weighs 600 kilograms, what's her weight? What's her weight? What is it?
600 newtons.
600 newtons. Yeah. So her weight $600 newtons, correct? Yes or no? Yeah. So because it's horizontal surface, what does 600 newtons also equal?
660.
Right? So this is going to be 158.4 divided by 600. Newtons. What's 158.4 divided by 600?
264.
Really? Not very high.
Because
I don't know, it's very high for water. Not high. It's okay. No. Okay. That's it. Yes? So she's being pulled at 164, but because she's being pulled horizontally, we need to know that dotted line. That dotted line is 158, which in reality, she's being pulled at a constant speed. That's really the net force, right? This pull, your pull, minus plus your negative this. So she's being pulled at 158.4, meaning the friction must be 158.4. They're going to be equal, right? I am applying 158.4. I'm only applying, I'm going at constant speed. The constant speed is key. Easy? Thank you.